Hello students, my name is Ishan Akbar. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss that what is a research proposal. Means we have to know the background of a research proposal, that what is a research proposal, its importance and its purpose and different uh, terminologies which comes in a research proposal, which come in a research proposal. So proposal is basically selling of your idea. It means that you have an idea in your mind and you're going to sell your idea to any stakeholder. To sell your idea to any stakeholder who is not in physical contact with you and you are not going to present him directly, then you will have to write a formal documents of different several pages, and you will send your that idea to your stakeholder, that may be your supervisor, any committee, any funder, anyone else other than you. And so means it will convey your research idea to that person who is going to issue any degree, any funds, or anything to you. So first of all, we have to know the background of research proposal. So simply, research proposal is a formal document that answers three questions. The first question is what, second one is why, and the third question is how. The what includes that how, what you have planned to research, mean what is included in your plan that you will work on that research topic, and why you are going to plan this research, this specific research topic, that how it is important, what is the importance of your topic in your subject area, and how will you accomplish this research work. So whenever you start writing a research proposal, then the first thing you have to keep that this is a formal document, and you have to answer, or you have to ponder on three things and three questions. Those three questions are: what is your plan to research, mean what are you going to search about your subject in your area, and why it is most important for you to research about that particular topic, and how will you research, or how will you accomplish this research within your resources and funds. So whenever you are going to write a proposal, you have to answer three questions. The first question is what. The what includes your topic, that you must have a clear idea about your topic. The next thing is the why. Why your research topic is importance in your studies, important in your studies, and how it will contribute in your subject area. And the third and last question is how. That means how you will complete this research project uh, within given time frame and by the use of given resources or funds. So, for writing a proposal, we have to answer these basic questions: what, why, and how. What is your topic, why it is important, and how you will accomplish your research by using given time frame and given resources. So, what is the purpose for writing a research proposal? There are three purposes for writing a research proposal. The first one is convincing the stakeholders. you have you have to sell your idea. That idea may be sold to your supervisor, to your university, to any committee, or to any funder. For example, in Pakistan, professors or any researchers in the universities writes their proposal for NRPU. There is a department which issues funds to different researchers for the accomplishment, for the advancement in their research areas. So we have to write a research proposal to impress the NRPU team. So the first and most important thing for writing a proposal is to convince the stakeholders. That may be your supervisor, that may be any committee, that may be any department, or maybe a university. And the second purpose of writing a research paper is to show your topic's suitability to your field of studies. Mean, if I am a civil engineer, then I have to show the suitability of my research proposal or research project with the civil engineering. So the last and most important, the last and the important as first two is the manageability of my project according to time and funds allocated for my project. If my project is not manageable according to time and given specified funds, then the purpose of my research project is nothing other than a waste of papers or waste of words. So, what will be the consequences if I am unable to convince the stakeholders? If my idea is not convincing, so I am not, so my idea is not being sold to the stakeholders. So simply, I will have to revise my proposal. So if you have to revise your proposal, then automatically it means that your idea is rejected by the stakeholders. If your idea is not convincing, then you will have to revise. When you have revised your data, then you will have to resubmit to the committee. Then there will be consequences for revising and resubmitting your research proposal. What are the best possible consequences? Those consequences are delays. If you are a graduating student and you are writing a research proposal as a compulsory part of your research degree, your degree program, then it will cause a delay in your degree. If you are not going if your idea is not going to convince your supervisor or your board of studies, then automatically you will have delays in the completion of your degree. So first of all, you have to ponder on these three questions, that you have to answer these clearly: what, why, and how. What is your topic of study? You must know a single word included in your topic of research. Then why are you going to accomplish this research? That what is the importance of this research, the specific research in area of your study, and how you will be able to accomplish or complete this research. Then what type of resources will be required for the completion of this research proposal or research project. And to avoid delays, you have to write an impressive research proposal. So we have three questions: what, why, and how. So first of all, I will discuss what is included in this portion. So in this question, we basically focus on the topic, deciding the topic of our research proposal. So what are the qualities of an effective research proposal topic? The first quality of a topic for any research proposal, that it should be crystal clear in your mind. If you have any of the words in your research topic that is unclear to you, you have to make it clear. If you are not able to make it clear, then you have to leave this research topic and you have to move towards another research topic. The second thing, it should be unambiguous, mean it should be clear. It should be clear mean there should everything, every word of your research topic should be clear, and you have to convey your topic. You have to sell your topic to the stakeholders. And the next thing is that your topic should be planned. Your every word of the topic should be weighted according to its importance. So I have to include an example to answer this question of the research proposal. This topic is the research topic for my master's thesis, master's research. That was mandatory for me to write a research paper during my master's degree. So I included this research. I have chosen this research topic for my master's thesis, and in this research topic, I had to answer three things. First one was the investigation purpose. What was the my focus for investigation? So what was investigated? Basically, the investigation was about the reduction of belt scour. So I answered this question in my research topic. So the second question that arises from this portion of the research proposal is, what was the focus of investigation? Mean, on what thing I was working to reduce the bed cover? It was the bends of a mending channel. So I was focused over the bend of a mending channel for the reduction of bed cover. Then how was it achieved? How I reduced this bed cover? Means my aim was to reduce the bed cover. On which thing I was focused? That was the bend of a mending channel, and by which resource I installed different spur dikes in the channel, and I tried to reduce the bed's cover. So basically, whenever you are going to plan a topic for your research proposal, you have to think these three questions. Then what you will investigate, what is the focus of your investigation, and how you will investigate, how you will achieve. So your research topic must answer these three things. If any one of them is missing, then your research topic will not be a complete one. So simply answer this question, make sure that your research proposal is a detailed explanation of your research topic. If your research topic is not a detailed version of your research, then your proposal may be rejected by your supervisor, anything. So if you don't have a crystal clear idea about your research, so one thing that is most important here is the crystal clear topic. That you must have a crystal clear topic about your research project. If your topic is not crystal clear, then you will end up with waffling away a few thousands of words. I mean, you will have a plenty of words, but you will not be able to convey your idea to the stakeholders. And at the end, what will be the result? Your research proposal will be rejected, and your time will be wasted. And the second part that you have to answer is the why. Why focuses over the importance of the project, that your project or your topic of research should be unique, it should be important. So mean you have to ponder, you have to focus the importance of your research, that why you are choosing this specific topic in your subject area, how it will contribute towards your subject. And you have to focus over the originality of the work, that this work should only belong to you, and it should not be done by any other researcher of your field. And next, in my research topic, I was considering the scour as a problem in the Midring River, and there there was no research by any of the authors to study the beds cover. There was a lot of research about the banks of a river. So you can consider the banks and bed of the river as a different uh, parts. So I was focused over the beds cover. I was not focused over the banks covers. So I just focused over the bed, and this was the important thing that made my research as original and clear. So when you are crafting your research proposal, so it is not enough to devise a topic that is unique. It should be value creating. That means your topic should be very important in your field of study. It means that when I was going to carry this research topic, it was very important in civil engineering, because no one in past was able to study the beds cover phenomena in bends of a meandering channel by the help of spur dikes. I was going to reduce the beds cover in bends of a meandering channel using spur dikes. My idea was unique, it was original, and it was crystal clear. So my research proposal was accepted at the first instance without any ambiguities. I was able to convey the value of my project in my subject area. So the last question in writing a proposal or devising a proposal is to answer how. This is the last question whenever you are going to craft your research proposal. It basically deals with the practicalities of your research project. That if you are going to adopt this research topic, then either it is practicable or not. You can accomplish your research in the real world or not. So basically, you will answer that how I will undertake the this research project. The second question you will have to answer is my research plan according to my topic? If you are going to write a research plan for your topic, then you have to make a close relationship between your research plan and your topic. If your research plan differs from your research topic, then end results will be too much different from your topic of study. topic of your research. And the last question you have to answer for the practicalities is that either your research is manageable within given time and funds or not. If your research project is not manageable within the given time and funds, then you will have to skip this research topic, and you will have to choose another topic that can be accomplished within the given time frame and given funds. So another criteria to answer this how is that you have to answer this question: either your research project or research topic is qualitative or quantitative. That you mean I mean that you have to check the qualities of any specified areas in your subject, or you have to study the quantitatively the different aspects of your subjects. And the next thing is type of designs. Either you need practical designs, or you need designs from the modeling softwares. Or you can say that you will design your project at some specific location, or you are going to design the project at different parts of time or different scenarios. And the next thing is the collection of data. In first 2 points bullets, you have decided the type of your research and type of your designs. When you have decided the type of research and type of designs, then you have to collect data according to that type of research and type of designs. Once you have collected your data, then the last thing is the analysis of the data. Means you have to analyze the data you have collected. This collected data will be analyzed according to your requirements, that what type of results you are expecting from your data. For example, when I took this project, my supervisor told me that you for your scour calculations are you have to draw different contour profiles. For contour profiles in civil engineering, i had to I had to use a software that is known as a golden surfer. So I learned that software while I was doing my research work in laboratory, and I was able to implement that sort of software for the preparation of the results during my while in my final thesis. So whenever you are going to adopt any research project, any research proposal, then you must have to know that how will you analyze the results, or how will you analyze the data that you have collected from your quantitative or qualitative analysis and from designs. So finally, make sure you give some thought to the practicalities of your research and have at least a basic understanding of research methodology before you start writing up your proposal. If you are not clear about methodologies that you will follow to accomplish your research, then maybe at the later stages of your research, you will be facing some difficulties, and your topic will be diverted from your research methodologies or actual research progress. The video, you can see different videos that can guide you how you will ponder on different research proposal for different research methodologies. I hope that this video may help you to prepare your research proposal effectively. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. I will upload another video that will include different subjects of the different chapters of the uh, research proposal.